Alright guys, Jimmy again. Yeah, we've just pulled up in a truck stop. We're let's turn this heated vest on. That's it. Alright guys, we're off. Let's get out of this truck stop. Yeah. Alright guys, Jimmy, just concentrating on what I'm doing for the moment. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm trying a different camera angle now on the GoPro. So I've got it sitting on the side. I'm just going to take it easy on the way now. We've only got about another hour to go by the GPS. So I'm about half an hour ahead of schedule. I think everything's secure. I'm just going to stay behind this gentleman here. Get this thing up a bit higher. Hope you can't hear the music going on. Just turn this Bluetooth down. Yeah, bike's going really good, guys. Bike's going really good. Where are we? How far we've got to go? Wodonga, 95 k's, hardly anything. I'm just going to stay in the left lane behind this guy for the moment. See how the old cam is running. Pull out on him. The problem is here we can't use the indicators that much. Okay, we're off. How you going there? Yeah, so far so good with the GoPro Hero. Bike's running really well. She's nearly cracked 174,000. The economy is really good. I'm doing 4.9 kilometers, 4.9 litres for every 100 k's. So I'm not going to bother gassing her now until we get back to Melbourne. Oh, we're halfway back to Melbourne again, which is pretty good. Yeah, one thing you don't have to worry about petrol is with the FJR. Especially now that I'm about 31, so I'm about 27 kilos underweight because I haven't got my bags on the side, my pannier bags, and it's all in the back. It's all in my RJ's 80 litre bag. I've got my stuff, which I haven't got much in there, just my tools, you know. I learned my lesson going to Cairns. You know, I just had enough tools with me, but not enough to pull the head stem bearing out, take the calipers off. Not that you really need to do something like that, unless you've had an accident like I did, hitting a massive rock at 80 kilometres an hour, which put the head stem bearing out and everything. I was lucky that it didn't crash. And then I had to go to Mackay to All Tools and buy $270 worth of tools, which I already had at home, to get the head stem bearing out. So now I'm prepared. I carry enough tools to take the wheels, the calipers, the forks, the tank, everything else to take off the bike in case I need to. Yeah, everything's going good. I'm going to give you guys now a look at the front of my new GoPro and see how she's going. I've got it set up now on the grip, the handlebar grip. So I'm going to turn it around, give you a little bit more of a look-see, and then we're going to be into Albury. Probably will turn the camera on in Albury, give you guys a look around. Hopefully it's running really well. This isn't a waste of time. But I'll find a nice little cafe to sit down and download the footage onto the phone and see what it all looks like. Rural city of Wangaratta. So we've hit Wangaratta. 57 minutes to go before I get to Vic Road. Vic Roads. New South Wales Service Centre. That's the Vic Roads, or the RAT, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I passed this bloke before, that Clems. Well guys, give you a look at the front. I'm not going to bore you any longer. Bike's running well, touch wood, like always. And yeah, I'm not going to make the Nullarbor this year in October. I've just got too much on. We've got the GP on, the boss is on his hands and knees. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just work this year GP. It'll be raining anyway. That's my money on it. But we'll see how we go. Alright guys, just going past the Glenrowan exit. I'm going to turn the camera around, give you guys a quick look-see. And yeah. Now the camera is on straight ahead, I guess. Gee, she shakes a little bit out there, but no, I'm not really happy with this GoPro setup, mate. I've got wires hanging around everywhere, and I can't get a hold of the handlebar correctly. It'd be much easier if I could zap it on this side, but this side, there's very hardly any room on the FJR to mount cameras. And, I'm gonna have to look into this, see how better we can do it. I'm gonna stay behind this bloke. Got another truck. Might even pull over and, you know, get rid of the camera back to where it was. Yeah, we probably will do that. So I hope it's not shaking too much. Anyway, I'm going to put all this on YouTube and let you guys be the judge of it all. But my center cam, I don't know, at the moment it's leaning towards the center cam because it's more stable, it's on the helmet, you don't have to have all these wires, you can talk. We'll see how we go. Alright guys, I'll let you go. I'm going to try to turn this thing off. Hang on, there's a truck stop 2 k's away. We'll pull over there when we get there. Alright guys, have a good one.